Hello investors, this is JetLifePennyStocks.com here, putting out an alert for ACGX, the Alliance Creative Group Incorporated. Our last trading day was October 31st, saw a previous close of 0.0149, and we opened at 0.009, closing up at the same, giving us that 39.6% that you see there on the screen. We traded 1,625 shares too, which was rather light. Let's see, ACGX is actually looking really nice for a rebound here. We'd like to see a recovery off of this incredible loss today. Great time to buy in our opinion, and we'd really like to see this do well when the market opens. First up, our 14-day RSI is at 42. Not too bad. We're right between that 15 to 30 going down. However, when the money starts rolling in, I'd like to see that level out and make some recovery. I don't think that's out of the question. Daily charts here, not too bad either. We've been trading pretty horizontally for a little while here. On October 31st, we did drop underneath all four of our moving averages, putting those as our resistance. Most immediately, the 12 and 26-day EMA are going to act as resistance at 0.012, followed by the 50-day moving average acting as resistance at 0.013, and then lastly, the 200-day moving average being our uppermost resistance at 0.014. As far as support goes, we have very strong support right around the 0.01 area. We've been holding on to that for quite some time. Even acted as resistance back at the end of September. Pretty solid support in my mind. Down here at the MACD, we are still above our signal line. That's a good sign, coming down towards it as a response towards our losses today. I'd like to see that recover. Trick still bullish, pointed up after it's crossed over its signal line back at the end of September. I got a 30-day tricks up here too, letting you know that we are ready to break out of that one as well. Long term, it's starting to make some pretty big gains. Slow stochastics coming down to touch its signal line, looking for a bounce there. The CCI is at negative 134.5, kind of near our bottom there. Would expect that to bounce off and make some gains, make some recovery, really get some money rolling into here. Our stochastic RSI bottomed out as well. We went from 1 all the way to 0 in 1 day. Now at 0, we can't go anywhere else but up, as you know, and that would be good. We got some recovery going there. Checking money flow, did something really nice today. We crossed over the 0, put us in a good market. Very nice sign after we were so poor there for a while underneath that 0. You could have seen this uptrend forming here, and we crossed over, and it's that's just another good sign. ADX moving in response to our loss today. PVO as well crossed underneath its signal line. We'd like to see that rebound. Make some gains again. And the money flow index is above the 80, maxed out right around the 100 area. Let's see, very bullish there. Accumulation and distribution looking very nicely as well. We are in an uptrend. It's always nice. I like the look of that. Letting us know that shareholders are starting to hold on to their shares. We'd like to see some gains come off of this. Overall, ACGX had a pretty rough day, but I think it's just in response to markets being open for the first time in 2 days, and really would expect to see a rebound and some bounce, get some gains, and we're at such low prices right now. You really can't lose too much and make a lot of money off of this one. If you have any questions or comments, want to discuss ACGX with us at all, you can find us on iHub. Just search JetLife. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to our newsletter, you can do that at www.jetlifepennystocks.com. As always, good luck in the markets, and we look forward to seeing you on the boards. Bye.